Hey guys, so today I've got the new Glow Recipe Avocado Retinol Sleeping Mask. And I've got the original, and if you're thinking about picking up the new Retinol Sleeping Mask with avocado, it kind of let me down a little bit. I've had a chance to try it out as a mask and as a sleeping mask now, and I really just found it to be a little bit drying, even though it doesn't contain a ton of retinol. The original avocado melt mask has avocado extract and avocado oil as the first two ingredients, whereas the new retinol mask has water and some slip ingredients as the first few ingredients. And avocado is a little bit down. They're not super far down, but not nearly as much as the avocado original mask. So honestly, the avocado melt wasn't my favorite mask. It's okay, but personally, when I want a good mask, I still actually really like the Watermelon Glow Mask, which does a nice job exfoliating skin. If you use a sleeping mask or as a rinse-off mask, actually, I like it more than the avocado mask, which you can see I've used almost all of the watermelon mask and the avocado mask. Haven't used a ton of it. Just didn't love it. It felt a little bit thick on my face and felt like it was a little bit pore clogging. And the other thing I'm interested in is they've got the expiration date on the watermelon mask, but on these, there's no expiration date anywhere on it. So, especially with retinol, it's pretty sensitive to air, which makes a jar packaging for it not the best. Most retinols are packaged like this, or in a tube like the Drunk Elephant ones, because retinol is pretty sensitive to light exposure, so it degrades rather quickly once it's exposed to air. So packaging it like this in a jar isn't the best. And reviews that I've read are pretty mixed. Some people like it, some people found it a bit too strong for them. So if you're new to retinol, no matter how little or how much is in the product, just be sure to start out slow, because retinol can really be irritating to skin, which is why using something with a good formula, it makes it even more important. So it has a light fragrance to it, not a ton. It's not overly scented, so that's a good thing. But overall, I just found it to be okay. Nothing impressive, to be honest. Would I ever reach for it again, aside from trying it out for a while for my review? Probably not. Just didn't love it. Nothing really specifically wrong with it other than a few little things that I mentioned, but not super hydrating, not a ton of retinol. It does have a little bit of PHA in there for exfoliation, but I didn't really see a lot of exfoliation either, and I was left with a little bit of drier skin than normal. So still really like the watermelon mask, but would I ever reach for the retinol mask? Probably not. And to be honest, the original avocado mask, I wasn't a huge fan of either. So that's probably why I'm not necessarily a huge fan of this one either. Although avocados are great for your skin, you might be better off just taking a plain avocado and just mashing it onto your face or something. Because, I don't know, I just didn't love it, but there's nothing wrong with it. So a lot of people love it. Some people didn't like it, but if you're new to retinol, definitely be slow with it. So anyway, I just had to do a quick review since I haven't given it the full time to try it like I have a lot of other products. Just didn't love it. Don't hate it. It's a meh. So anyway, I'm interested if you guys have a chance to try either these or the eye one. Definitely let me know what your thoughts are, if they're similar to mine, or if you have a totally different take, let me know. Anyway, check out nobsbeauty.com, and thank you guys so much.